Hi, in this video, we will see how to use the export code feature of Chai Builder, and we will try to export this code inside a Next.js application. So let's first explore what the export code feature is. So we'll go to app.chaibuilder.com. I've already created a simple page with three sections in it, a navigation bar, a hero section, and a feature section. Next, let's say if somebody wants to export this as a code, all you have to do is just click on these three dots on any block that you want to export and click the export button, and you will see the code available to you inside in multiple formats. So you have JavaScript, we have TypeScript, plain HTML, and this is the Tailwind config which you can use inside your project. So this is Tailwind V3 version. The V4 version, I'll show it inside the Next.js application. I'll close this. Like I said, you can export any block that you want. You click here and you can export specific this. Let's say if you want to only export the heading, you can do that as well. So that's about the export feature. You can also, oh, there's one more thing. You can also export. You can download the code in as a JSX or a TSX file. Uh, that you can see the download button here. Another thing is this is an editable section. So let's say if you want something to be changed here at this point, you can change it easily. Let's say you don't want this and just say explore. You can do it before exporting the code as well. This won't reflect inside your builder. It is just before exporting the code or copying the code. Another thing is the name of the file. So let's say you want to download this, and so it says contact form.jsx. This is coming from this label. For this, it will say box.jsx. And if you want to change that, you can double click on this and change it to something else. Let's say new name, and now it should say the file name is newname.jsx or tsx. So this is for multiple sections. Let's say you want to export the entire thing, the entire uh, page as code, then you click on this body and then choose this export option. So this has the entire code for the page inside one component. So that's about the export code feature. Let's move on to the Next.js application and see how we can use this feature. So I'll open my Next.js application. It's already here. This is Next.js 16 with Tailwind 4. Like I said, we have a special theme for Chai Builder. This is similar to what ShadCN uses. So in most cases, if you're already using ShadCN, you might already have this. So we define this theme over here. It has some set of colors and border radius and couple of animations. That's it, nothing much inside this. So we already are set up with our Next.js plus Tailwind CSS, and this is my home page. Now we will try to export this page inside our Next.js application. So I click on this. Let's try first exporting the entire code base, and I'll just say copy, and I go to my Next.js application. So right now this is a named export, so I will just change it to default export so that it treats it as a page, and save it, and let's see the page now. As you can see, the page is exported. It also follows all the theme which you see inside the builder. The fonts you can choose for your application the way you want. They directly come inside this layout file. This is one option where you can copy the entire code and then put it over here. Another option, let's say if somebody wants to split it into multiple components and then try to handle it. Let's see how that will work. So I'm reverting the code, going back inside builder. Now I'll say I want first the navigation code. So I will copy this, and inside components I will create nav.tsx. I'll just paste it here, and now I will import this inside my. So now let's check this. As you can see, the first section is available. Now let's do the same thing for the remaining two. So this is hero. Let's call it hero.tsx. Let's get rid of this. There's another one here. Okay, it was unwanted. And the third one is the feature section. So we'll copy this and let's call it feature.tsx. And so we have created these sections. So this is usually useful if you have like same section used on multiple pages. Yeah, you can export it as a separate component. You can add props, customize it, and then import it inside your pages. So we go here and then hero section and then the feature section. So I've added all the three, and let's see how application looks now. So this is exactly how it was earlier, but now with multiple components. This makes it also easy to compose your page the way you want. You are able to move things up and down the way you want quickly. Um, so yeah, that's about the export code feature and how to use it inside Next.js application. Thank you so much.